Okay, we're gonna do this test here, and we're running a big power supply. I got the 12 pill on here. And my voltages. The driver's just running my radio. It's R&R radio. I mean, that's my stickman radio there. The bottom meter is the RMS Reflect. The top is a 5,000 watt slug for RMS. This is my radio drive right here. And this is the box Reflect at 25 watt slug. So turn that one around. And let's give this thing a key. Audio 5,000 watt slug. Audio right there. 2 kilowatts right there. 1 2 1 2. Audio. About 7.5 watts reflect. The input standing wave is not moving. Reflect meter on the antenna. Audio. And this is my radio outputs. Audio. So there you go. So the voltage. Audio. So I'm only holding about 15.5 volts on mine. This amp is running nice and cool and doing over 2,000 watts. It's a runner, brother.